Hello viewers, I hope you guys are fine. In today's episode we will know what is email marketing. So let's get started without delay. We discuss about native advertising in our last episode. Please check the I button. So let's start. What is email marketing? Email marketing is the process of sending commercial messages to a group of people via email. These messages may be promotional in nature or they may be a periodic reminder of an event or offer. Email marketing is a very powerful tool for every business, whether it's B2B or B2C. You can use email to send bulk messages to your customers and prospects, and even send individual messages. Why email marketing is important? Rewarding your loyal customers. Keeping customers coming back is one of the most important things you can do as a marketer. One way to do this is to operate an automated reward program via email. Reward customers who have met a desired milestone, such as a dollar amount or number of products purchased. Just avoid limiting your reward to just discounts alone because they don't have a long-lasting impact on your customers. Manage brand reputation. Here's another cool thing you can do with email marketing: enlist an army of brand advocates. Entice customers to leave product reviews on your website and other social review sites. This will not only help your brand image, but it will also help you serve customers better. With feedback from real people who have bought from you, you will know exactly how to improve in order to make the customer experience better. Reactivate inactive customers through mailings. There are many ways to reactivate inactive customers. The best way to reactivate inactive customers is through emails. If you send an email to them, it will help them to remember you and also come back to your website. If you send a newsletter, you can include a coupon or discount code. You can even include a freebie. If you are not sure what to do, ask your customer service representative. The best time to send an email is right after you make a sale. You can use this opportunity to remind them why they bought from you in the first place. Remind them that your products and services will help them to achieve their goals. Drive users to take an action. Email marketing is a great way to promote your business. It is also a good way to keep in touch with your customers. This is a very popular and effective way of promoting your business. The best thing about it is that you don't need to pay a lot of money for this type of advertising. You can get free email lists from various sources. There are many ways that you can use email marketing to promote your business. You can also use it to inform your customers about your new products or services. You can also use it to encourage your customers to take action. Email marketing trends in 2022. Here are 6 email marketing trends to look out for in 2022. Artificial intelligence, AI, highly personalized content, user-generated content, UGCs, lead scoring, dynamic content, mobile focus, data privacy. So, today we know about email marketing. Hope you understand all the points. If any doubts, please comment below. For next video please subscribe our channel and press the bell button. Thank you.